V8 House by TNT Architects in Vinh, Vietnam. V8 House is a private housing project built on a 550 square meter area which is freeform and faces east-west. The project's location is surrounded by high-density construction, and the existing buildings adjoining the project are not uniform in architecture. The project is designed specifically for an extended family with the following desires. Family members have a close connection with each other while still ensuring privacy. Close to nature but still safe and suitable for modern life. We choose a multi-layered space solution in traditional Vietnamese architecture with a new expression of modern architecture. The overall design is a combination of architecture and nature, closed and open spaces, and light and darkness. The garden is planted with various plants which vary in size and are strategically arranged to give depth to the space, which simultaneously helps the structure blend with nature, thus erasing the boundary between architecture, humans, and nature. The wooden bridge divides the garden space into two parts in a symbolic way, helping create private spaces for both the bedroom and the family's common space, and at the same time generating an interesting connection between the gate and the main space of the house. The porch is the most effectively used space in traditional Vietnamese architecture, even though it has been gradually disappearing. We revive it here with a more contemporary approach. It is a vital meeting point between tradition and modernity, function and aesthetics, and dynamic and static elements. Passing through the porch space are purely functional spaces serving life, such as a living room, a kitchen, and a dining room. Going deep into the space inside is another garden that plays an important role in the ventilation and temperature regulation of the house, reducing the impact of the sun's glare from the west. The architecture of the second floor is encapsulated in a square block sitting on two sides of the fencing brick walls, with a spanning floor structure to create the feeling that the entire first floor is a garden with a unified whole. The wooden slat system is constructed with the aim of minimizing the impact of solar radiation on the east-west facing buildings, flexible for changing living conditions inside the house. The roof space is designed with many layers of structure combined with the elements of nature, to reduce the impact of weather factors as well as make the most of the space inside the house. This is the place where homeowners can plant trees and the place to meditate, a personal space to nourish the soul.